Zakah is one of the 5 fundamental pillars of Islam. It is a mandatory form of charity for Muslims meeting specific wealth criteria. Zakah requires donating a fixed portion of one's wealth. Eligible recipients include the poor and needy within the community. Zakah promotes economic justice and social welfare. Zakat and Sadaqah are emphasized in the Quran and Sunnah for their spiritual benefits. Giving zakat and sadaqah purifies the giver's wealth. These acts also purify the giver's heart, fostering inner peace. Zakat and sadaqah foster empathy within the community. These practices strengthen community bonds, reflecting Islamic social responsibility. Sadaqah includes all voluntary charitable acts beyond obligatory zakat. It encompasses giving money, providing assistance, and offering kind words. Acts of sadaqah, when performed sincerely, yield rewards. Sadaqah demonstrates compassion, enhancing individual lives and community welfare. Prophet Muhammad consistently practiced generosity in his daily life. He frequently gave to the poor and needy, setting a personal example. He actively encouraged his followers to engage in charitable giving. His life serves as a model for Muslims in practicing selfless giving. This generosity promoted unity and mutual support within the community. His actions demonstrated the positive impact of giving on society. Zakat and Sadaqah are vital in diminishing poverty and inequality in Muslim communities. They supply essential resources to individuals and families in need. These practices cultivate a feeling of communal duty among community members. This collective responsibility promotes social cohesion and economic equilibrium within the community.